Are you looking for that good cheesecake? Do you want to learn how to make a box cake taste homemade? Are you tired of those not so good cheesecake fillings and had to substitute it for buttercream? Are you looking for a real delicious dessert that you can make a day in advance for a family or church gathering? This is Candy Apple TV, your go-to destination for good sweet treats and candy apples. Make sure you subscribe because I'm getting ready to show you how to make some of that good. Yes, honey child, some good strawberry crunch cheesecake cups. This cheesecake filling is so easy. All you need is 1 8-ounce of cream cheese and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Blend that together, put it in a piping bag, and place it in the refrigerator until you are done with making your other ingredients. This is so good, you don't need to add any vanilla. That's how good this is, seriously. Add your cheesecake filling inside a piping bag and place it in a refrigerator to firm up. Tie your piping bag in a knot, and you want to get like a cup or some type of glass or whatever you have. And once you tie this up, just place it in a cup or a glass and put it inside your refrigerator. So let me show you, like this, basically. Now place it in the refrigerator. Start on your cake. I'm gonna doctor up this box cake and make it taste homemade. This is Duncan Hines Strawberry Supreme. And the way to do that is, instead of using a half a cup of vegetable oil, you want to use a half a cup of room temperature butter, not 3 eggs, but 4 eggs, and not 1 cup of water. You want to switch that out to 1 cup of French vanilla creamer. And I'm talking about this right here. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Lorraine strawberry to boost up the strawberry flavor in the cake. Cream your room temperature butter. Scrape your sides and make sure you get the bottom. Add our cake mix. French vanilla. To go ahead and add 1 egg. I will add the other 3 one at a time. Add a teaspoon of strawberry flavoring. It's not required, but that's what I do. The last one. Make sure your oven is preheating according to the box. Follow the box directions for how long to bake your cake. Now I have about 20 Oreos here. I have banged them with the rolling pin until they came to a crumble. I didn't want to grind these because I didn't want them fine. I'm greedy like that. I want to taste my Oreos. And the secret ingredient here to your strawberry crunch mix is the strawberry jello pudding mix. I am not going to add a pack. I only need half a pack and 1/3 cup of melted butter, and it's salted butter. If you have unsalted butter, just add a pinch of salt. 1/3 cup of salted butter, melted. Give this a stir and set aside. This strawberry crumble is everything. I'm getting ready to cut up some strawberries, honey child. I love strawberries, so I have about, I guess, 1.5 pounds of strawberries here. Ooh, that's some good stuff right there. Once your cake is cooled down, you can crumble up your strawberry cake like this. Now it's time to assemble your strawberry crunch cheesecake cups. These dessert cups can be found down below in my Amazon bake shop. Apply a small amount of your crumbled strawberry cake inside the dessert cups. Use a roller or some type of kitchen utensil to press your strawberry cake down. Get your cheesecake filling and squeeze out enough cheesecake on top of your strawberry cake inside your dessert cups. You want to place these dessert cups inside the refrigerator overnight so your cheesecake can firm up. Just do not add your whipped cream on top. Wait until the next day to add your whipped cream, but add everything else the day before. So this is a dessert that you can make in advance, a day ahead of time. Place your strawberries on top of the cheesecake filling. Add your strawberry crunch crumble. Honey child, this is good right here. Repeat the steps. Get your crumbled strawberry cake and place over your cheesecake crumble. Once you're done placing your cake over your cheesecake crumble, you want to apply another layer of your cheesecake filling. Once you apply your cheesecake filling, you want to hold on the next step of the strawberries and your whipped cream. So once you have your cheesecake filling on top, place it in the refrigerator overnight so your cheesecake filling can firm up. It may take a couple of hours, not even overnight, but place it in the refrigerator. This is a dessert you can make a day ahead of time. Place in the refrigerator, and once you place it in the refrigerator and once your cheesecake filling is firmed up, you can go ahead and place your strawberries on top of your cheesecake filling. Now get you some Cool Whip, a piping bag, and a 1M cupcake tip. This is the 1M cupcake tip that I'm going to use. You just place your tip down in your piping bag, get some scissors, and cut right here, about right here. Just take your scissors and go all the way around. Now place your piping bag inside a glass cup, jar, whatever you have, and bend the piping bag back to apply your whipped cream. This is the Cool Whip that I use. Just that good stuff too. This is actually a great idea for any type of family gathering or church gathering. They will request these all spring and all summer. Now take your piping bag and tie it in a knot. Just squeeze out your Cool Whip and go around in a rotation. You can top the strawberry crunch cheesecake cups off with strawberries on top of your whipped cream, or you can also put your strawberry crunch crumble on top as well. If you have enjoyed this strawberry crunch cheesecake cup tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next candy apple or sweet treat tutorials.